Tired of the social media scramble? Let's unlock the power of Buffer to transform your online presence. Buffer is your all-in-one solution for scheduling and managing all your social media platforms efficiently. First, we need to connect your accounts. Head over to the Connect Accounts section within Buffer and simply click on the social network you want to add. You'll be prompted to log into that platform and authorize Buffer to access your profiles. It's quick, secure, and opens up a world of streamlined posting. Now, let's get creative. Click the Create Post button to start crafting your content. You can write your caption, add relevant hashtags, and even attach images or videos directly. Buffer allows you to preview exactly how your post will look on each connected platform, ensuring a polished presentation every time. The magic of Buffer lies in its scheduling. Once your content is ready, you can add it to your queue, which automatically posts at your preset optimal times. Or, if you need precise timing, simply click on the calendar icon and select a specific date and time for your post to go live. You can even reorder your queue to manage your content flow. But it doesn't stop there. Buffer's powerful analytics will show you how your posts are performing. Navigate to the Analytics tab to see engagement metrics like likes, shares, comments, and clicks. This data is crucial for understanding what resonates with your audience and refining your social media strategy for maximum impact. With Buffer, you'll save time, post consistently, and gain valuable insights, putting you in complete control of your social media. Start your Buffer journey today and watch your social media strategy soar.